Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to teach you how to make this diamond woven pattern with grosgrain ribbon on a headband. But first, before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you have your bell notification turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. If you'd like to check me out on social media, that is also linked below in the description. And let's get into it. So guys, this is actually the video that I was recording last week that did not come out as it should have. And I just said forget it and didn't upload the video at all. So what you're going to need here is 4 pieces of ribbon cut at 24 inches long. I'm going to go ahead and take the lighter and secure the ends of the ribbon. This just helps it not to fray. You don't have to use different colors. If you don't want to, you can use ribbon of the same color and still get the same effect for the headband. Okay, so now that we have that part taken care of, we are going to connect the ribbon. So for this particular project, the way we're doing it, you're going to connect opposite colors together. And I'm just using my glue gun to connect them. Oh, I need a little bit more glue. So this is one piece. Now go ahead and do the same thing with the other piece. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to crisscross it just kind of like so, just kind of cross into an X. Just like that. Okay, so now we have that part done. So this is what your ribbon should look like right now. So now we're going to take our headband and you're going to, so this is the outer side of the headband, this is the inner side. You're going to hot glue the ribbon to the inner side of the headband. Just like that. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this. We are about to start the process. And if you're not using the same colors as me, that's okay. I'm going to be referring to mine as yellow and blue because those are the colors I'm using. So you have right now 2 of the same colors on the left and 2 of the same colors on the right. I am starting off with my top right, and then I'm going to be starting with my top left, but you'll see as we go along. I'm going to walk you all the way through it. So you're going to start by taking your top right and crossing it over to the left. Then you're going to take your top left and cross it over to the right. So right now you got 2 of the same colors on each side. Then we're going to bring this yellow one around the back and to the left. So you can see how we have that. So right now you got 3 colors on one side, 2 colors on the other. So now we're going to bring our blue over, and now all the colors are on this side. We're going to take our yellow and bring it over. And then we're going to take this blue through the blue and through the yellow that's over on the left side. And now we have our first weave. And the pattern is the same on the back. So let me show you that again. So right now you should have opposite colors on both sides. So what I like to do, let's see if I can find it. I like to put a little clip to hold my ribbon as I'm going down. Okay, so I just have this little clip here, and I'm just going to set it there to hold this in place while I'm going down. Now, you want to make sure you pull very tightly with your ribbon. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take our blue, bring it over. We're going to flip this yellow also on the other side. So now you have them all the colors on the left side. We're going to bring the top yellow over here through the two blues. So now you have one color on this side, three on this side. We're going to take this top blue, put it through the yellow and blue ribbon, and now we're back to opposite colors on each side. And as you can see, I didn't pull tight enough here, so it's a little bulgy. So I'm going to try to pull the yellow just to tighten it up. And you see now it's tightened. So let's go ahead all the way through and do this process. Okay, so I hope you got the hang of it now. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, and then I'll show you how to finish the edge off, and then it'll be all done. So we're down to the last little bits of this. And I'm just going to go ahead down with you with the rest of this. It's so hard doing this sideways, guys. So sorry for all the movement, but it's just a little difficult trying to show you guys how to do this sideways. It's kind of like what they call the fishtail braid when you make it. Similar process. Sorry about that. My yellow didn't want to come over. So I'd say about one more round, and then we can finish this off. So that's pretty good for this. So we're just going to make sure it's pulled tightly. So yeah, as I was saying, I like to glue the end pieces together. Just to help me stabilize while I'm trying to complete this last step. So that helps me out. And now I could take this off and it won't unravel. So you're just going to cut the ends. I like to cut mine at a diagonal a little bit. And I always save scraps. I can use these for a hairball or something. So now you're going to come around, kind of do that, and just fold this in. Then the same thing with the other side. And you're all set. You are all done. Simple, easy, fun. Is actually a stress reliever for me when I do these. And I just love the color combination for this one as well. I have made this one. And then we also have the one I did last week, which video did not go right. You can see this is yellow on the outside, blue on the inside, as this one is blue on the outside and yellow on the inside. And then I have these two also that I made, and the one that I just showed you. So if you have any questions about today's video, guys, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. And please don't forget to check out my website where you can purchase some of the items that I show on here, but I do have other hair bows and things on my website that you can purchase. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you and see you next time. Bye.